Hi everyone, in today's video we will see Beats Solo 3 not connecting how to fix. Fix 1. Ensure Bluetooth is active. Turn on Bluetooth on your device. Put your Beats Solo 3 headphones in pairing mode by holding down the power button until the LED flashes. Check if your device detects the headphones and if they are connected. 2. Reset your headphones. Press and hold the power button and volume down button simultaneously for 10 seconds. Release the button when the LED flashes. Put the headphones in pairing mode again by holding down the power button until the LED flashes. 3. Check battery and charging. Check the battery level of your Beats Solo 3 headphones. Clean around the power button if there are any debris or dirt. Charge the headphones for at least 3 hours if they are completely drained. 4. Contact Beats support. If the headphones still do not connect, consider reaching out to Beats support for further assistance. They can diagnose the issue and suggest the best course of action, which may include repairing and replacing the headphones. Thanks for watching. If you find this video helpful, like it and share it with your friends. For more such helpful videos, subscribe to our channel.